Well, hello friends and followers. I have gotten most of the cords off of the floor here. Got most of the radios and parts off the floor. And the office is getting a cleaning by the iRobot. We'll see how it does. With the iRobot, you want to get all the cords off the floor. There's a bunch in there, but I'll just watch it. And that's that. I want to get this radio back in the case today, so I gotta adjust this radio, get it back in the case. And that's that. Everybody needs one of these. Cleans the house. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Yeah, I've piled up all this stuff, get it off the floor. Lots of junk. TR4C, which I haven't used in a while. Drake TR4C, Drake R4A, haven't used in a while. MS4 and power supply, the AC4, which I just put together and put up here. Bunch of junk for fixing Drakes and Tentex. Bunch of tools and parts. All those are from Amazon mostly. Bojack brand, which I'm happy with. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. That sweeper, that vacuum is so rusty. It's gonna hit something here. Turns around. Yeah, I put the radio backwards so it won't get damaged. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.